once again Kennedy akompre e Japan e den sembi aba betudwa na ade a mepese me ye and say nsema wode tudwa na ewa na I just want us to be very interactive with this into the man say asem no ye befa ne baako asem a wo beboso no o say NDC for air plan say wo mo pese wo mo ye bibi na so dey beto aso no dey subscribe na click the notification bell no so ye ne say latest news no ba won sa ebeka now the mayor and say Kennedy Japan asema wo beboso the first matter wo beka na me so ma chema dwen na ma boss second one na ma chema dwen ti no by the time ye be wie no na ye nia ye hu me so ma dwen chere on this particular matter ye go tie nsema Kennedy Japan wo dey eto just straight
ba no kreni na mo bobo ni ma bisu a asif say meeting no mko no 23rd January ya wo kumasere na mo ho o mo mko no mutaka ka ho scenario ka ho ofosu ampofu e ka ho ena agamba.
Okay.
And there were a few others. Koya, Shia, Kumasi, and Majube 1 a.m.
Kumasi, so there 2012 one and only meeting. Now,
Omar Green said first, easy, any honorable Kandapa, the national security, Omomomo, any mafom, no masondaho, no muntieni. One. NDC for meeting court 23rd asenipa we mutaka scenario ofusuampo fo akamba mu nyina aka ho kumase no say the omo se miminti this time omo nkohia in a group biom this a chairman one nearby your flower ya bani enu abeka ne yakọ abrante oni na ka ne yakọ madam oni na ka
my friend house to house
papa passes no mature ha they will go house to house individual homes no.
Okay yemfa this first part say asama Kennedy Japan ka no mo ntiase a mamentre mo ase ne ntiaso Andre chi me the story bi bremo America say Kennedy Japan say NDC for a secret meeting meeting no wo mo plan say wo mo be cause mayhem e wo oman ni mu Madrin share on that particular matter na me the bremo me mamoti ase say ye me na me be ka asem no efa political party bi ho a you ask for evidence say meeting na wo say wo mo koye no pictures e we he audio recordings of the meeting e we he na nka ye hu say ne kre. I'm not saying say NDC for aim to mean yes sir because we've heard one of their audios are leaky here ensema na wo mo ene womo chairman kan and the asem no ewo court no me pese me bosso but personally no I believe say NDC are actually capable of doing that because our audio na leaky and obi samia me de misusu se ne kre na ensema womo kan but this new meeting na Kennedy Japan kan one asem no still won't provide the proof here but the all can and say NDC for since time what the babontin beka say NDC for a meeting wa from planes na nyama no na saying NDC for asanso akoye meeting biom ewo Kumase this time around they didn't go to a from planes na Kumase no na obobo nkrofo bi din na nkrofo obobo mu din no akamba scenario na ye ne enim muntaka say wo makoye meeting ewo Kumase wo more planning into plan now wo more planning they are planning against national security and the EC. Now let's go and listen more into plan a worker say NDC for air planning but obviously say assembly say edin kind about when him say Kennedy Japan is about to say something bad about NDC. He never says good thing about them. If workers NDC for planner obviously say we expected something bad. Nti yanko tie nsem no ye wi a na me nso me de aba abatiaso.
Sisa omo ye demonstration no na say EC antiase na omo registration no first strategy a ombebe eni say ombe fa nkofo aba ho ayo hu say fulani ni we si nye won free ha we si onye say no ma create confusion.
Oh okay. No baby actually din no ma create confusion ni e be bo won so once a deliberate no de peace council for ndie ni ye be hwe won well.
Okay, so I'm even not surprised. Another huge allegation at Kennedy Japan added to NDC. So, was it NDC for a form of one because and there I mean no say NDC any EC kasa wo kasano it has broken down again in the sense NDC for air trade EC said that be new register wo ye no emfata EC so say wo pe by April may and who say Endra one more Kotenasia, one more meeting, all the political parties. Na no mususu say something good will come out. wɔn kɔ meeting still baby a easy wɔde ne nan esi na ɛhɔ a ɛna wɔsi na yɛn say NDC has actually been doing something na wɔn ɛpɛsɛ ɛtrɛ they are not happy with this, and it's not only NDC, just some other smaller political parties are wɔn ɛkan. But let's be fair here, and let's be truthful here. Most of the people who are actually doing the demonstration are NDC people, even though other political parties on paper are part. Now, Asama Kennedy Japan ɛkan ɛne say NDC for demonstration na womo ye no womo ko hu ne say demonstration no enkosi aga because baby a isi ne nansi no ehwa na osi nti afa NDC for fa another plan say isi ekọ say ekotro nipa din register for new register na NDC for mo ho adwen so womo be fa nkrofo aba abekọ se basabasa yo womo be fa nkrofo aba akọ baby bebre a womo register nkrofo din no na omo asay nkrofo omo asay eye omo akokose confusion wo ho no omo asay the smooth running of this particular thing. Once again, what Kennedy Japan is saying, NDC are capable of doing it. MPP Krano, they are capable. Every political party in Ghana, every person in Ghana is actually capable of doing this. But where is the proof? Kennedy Japan menka say the okana yentro but who can you know nanka wo say recording no you have it meeting no o te de omo kan nanka o kan no nanka wa bo audio tape no na ya te say ne kre say ne ya te say ofoso ampofo wo kan e wo meeting bi ase a ende hu nti wo mo e wo court no allegedly nanka no so wa bo na ya te say oh asem we na ya den wo mo e kan nanka ye nia ye hu say NDC for nipa bonefo but Kennedy Japan ekotina wo Man FM na wo keka nsem we afa NDC ho saa na bronye DC ye ya ende na so aye hia ye de no court but still yentu a nkomo so this is not the only thing that Kennedy Japan kafa NDC ho yentu aso ne yenko tie mo
because baby omo dey kono all the strongholds and omo so besa ye beti won beat well Mr. Osofo Asante no ontie ni yiye ontua namon ansana action na boma koshe kaso kwa bedi nkonkonsane etro ne yi because NDC for your magine say etutura sem no mo de behia ye de behia wo because ye too gentle and we are in government, they are dictating what they want. We have to accept. Nani ye Ghana for adenti nani omutu abetiam. We shouldn't accept that.
Yes, and this thing Kennedy Japan is saying is very, very true. Imagine say opposition na easy ayena adwen say woye bibi. Na opposition na sorry ka say easy yempene ma wonye. Me Nekrane say I understand the position of the EC. And I believe say the NDC be ye bia no sa voters register ade ebekoso. Inti NDC if omunim de yomo a they better start conscientizing their people say nyahwe yenko register because omo ye say na last minute adena ba obo say NDC nkrofo wo mo enko register. Na dia Kennedy Japan e kana nekre. Imagine say who opposition na easy na dwen say wo ye new voters register. Now wa opposition o say that be mempene. Hey, it's who quiet demonstration na afei easy ba bonte na ka say okay why demonstration you know ye mbese ye be voters register. Na MPP for so sorry ka say hey ye ne power ye e den na easy be kan. Say sa ne ye na nanka everything na opposition be kan nanka easy be ye. Because yes one year now be wa just a walk demonstration. So that one there it is true. Say mu opposition na mu detect say easy enya de mu pene de dabi e ya de a NDC for sa de na interna bo hwa demonstration ni sa anya man me nkasa ho because me hu ne say masa e cost 90 sa NDC for demonstration no more no a waste of time and they need to be told in the face. So this particular thing that Kennedy Japan can and Kennedy Japan is telling the Peace Council say they need to be proactive, and that is true. Ghana has said our Peace Council they are not proactive. Assembly CBA and Sanoma Babontinya Bekasa. Yes, Kennedy Japan is saying this, even though he has not provided proof. No, exposed nothing. Say Peace Council Mobile Babontin na mo abetena asem we so na mo aka say oh we have intelligence say NAC na tre say you are being proactive no but you are silent. O di asem Kennedy Japan ken ma embremu na he peace council for be ba bonten any say meanwhile na nka wo betumi aye proactive ama asem we etu etwa. So this particular point, I think this is the third or second point that Kennedy Japan and Meki aside with him on this point. Let's continue and go on with more of the points that what they etuja.
Na kwabana ni ameka bia wo ha. In fact, me ba no. Apone ekura me no. Minim se meeting no kura so ko bio. Yeah, e ye konka papa na woman. O dia say two, mabeka we o ma say repeat. Say ye kan ni entia. Omu EC electoral officers are. They are going to appoint the returning officers or select returning officers are. Omu ye NDC for ombe champion on course. Now some returning officers no. Omu ombe recruit omu nyina. What they're going to do ni say omu slow machine down. Say you say machine no enye dwuma asai ehiti ayesei na nipa bibiri entimi an register nti easy ma wasun enko ho no wa untie ne yie.
Now this is another allegation at Kennedy Japan edi atudwa say NDC for a recruiting people at the EC's office mobile registration no na mobile machine na slow down so that womo ba say mobile register no yen register bibiri na me no ma me ka asementremo registration it doesn't need to happen before me ba bonti abeka say system na ye dey registration no obekọ na near say network is down. It doesn't need to happen. Me ya prophet o na so asema ma kan wo dey hwe dey na e do so say wo kwa register no ye better say system no and our network down. Why? Because Ghana has say every single day that type of registration no network down. Ghana card registration nkofo bebrebe gu on say network down. National health insurance registration and no put there na national health insurance registration kan na me kon won just because was sorry akwa di line frame say membra me ko yen so a nkofo bebre wo ho ye say network down. Me so me nyo obi a me pe bebi a me kwa nkofo bebre gu ho sa ana me TQ mu ti say nti me bufu me ma me pansa national health we no na say network or down. Every single system in this country bia wo koye registration a ye be catch us network down. Nti no that particular one ni there NDC krano if indeed woman your man say wo mu recruit EC4 say EC4 shut down slow system ni down me feel say a waste of time and their money. Because naturally no system no the network will go down. This is Ghana near what mobile money created the bia wo koyi yes network or down. So I am not a prophet, but this thing will actually happen. But the MAN say, Sisi Kennedy Japan edi atuja. And if two things, muntie, two things, either say asema Kennedy Japan kano ne crep, and I say ne crep, based on where you are, meaning say you abeka say ne crep, who you be to say me, now who your evidence based person now, obeka say was say who evidence and so na woka say ne crep. So these are the two kinds of people, or two types of people. Sisi Kennedy Japan edi adiewe atudwa no. Even if NDC for womumbo pass aya, system ni ko slow pe nkrofo beka say Kennedy Japan kan and the no na NDC for ye no. Meanwhile, naturally Ghana has a wo koye registration systems go down. Yanti aso.
Say 23rd year meet yom ko e Kumasi no. Asema wo mu kan no. Omu wiesu a say election day hwe normal lusu a they won't accept the results.
I see.
Na omu macho men na mama qualify and say vigilante group and do mbeba osofo asante tie nie ye behwe won papa osofo asante tie nie because no wo ye no hu se hu so esofo so e dey me kura me di sofo anka me ye che no we dey sofo won tie nie
concentrate
because he will be the first person ye kan die wo mu nka hwe bibia ni ho amabeka wo ha enim ebam to.
Okay, to be fair, Kennedy Japan say bibia ni ho a wono Kennedy Japan aka embemu. I have a different view to that. I think say last 2 days me report here on Kennedy Japan and sem no. Enkofu bi frame. E ka say oh masa fio Kennedy Japan no yo bi a say ebi mo so frame ka tell me say asema make na ne krepa. Kennedy Japan yo bi a wo ba bonte no wo kasa. Won fa prove him back. But people believe him anyway. Kennedy Japan say bibi ni wa wo de ato abonte a embemu. No, I don't think that is right. At least they made to me akaipa NSS. Mo be kaya embra Manase Azori. Wo ba bonte me ye say wo ye vigilante e wo eye Osu Castle no. What the Kennedy Japan say? Wo ba bonte be ka say wo no Kennedy Japan he has proof audio recording of Manase Azori say NDC4 bribing with 5,000 cedis. He has proof on the ba bonte or the ba bonte. I think it's over a year and now close to a year now. Manase Azori this are exposing the by Pacho we who prove of Kennedy Japan workers and Manase Azori waje bribe no if you NDC4 ho na wo pictures about the beba bonte mesremo we who prove ana. For me I have not seen any proof. It is a Kennedy Japan gas a bibia the beba bonte bia e ne kra. At least I have this example to show to him said abi enya ne kra. Then again I am not saying say I know say in some way I'm making some staunch supporters of Kennedy Japan will come attacking me, but me I don't care. Who you be a who me channel way so I wouldn't say me family home nkrofo ba be attacking me and family home. But all I am saying is we need to hold Kennedy Japan accountable for the things he says, just like how we hold other people accountable for the things they say. And America no Sami Jemfi and I wouldn't say be say Tuja afa MPP one. In some here ni na ye baby son say Sami Jemfie show proof. Say any other MPP ni kra say any other MPP ni and I wouldn't say we hey yenko say Mahama President Mahama kra no dey same way eba betudwa. The other can say show proof. It's not done na Kennedy Japan the wild allegations like this tudwa. Was who recording no I don't know who recording and try and who say you've been going on radio stations and talking about these things. Why don't you just play it? Now you say, oh wait dear, a Muntaka voice. Now unim one interesting thing I want you to understand about this. Me say, Shankofa Kennedy Japan bo mudin say womo ekoye meeting no. Muntaka agambrio say agambara say there no. Ena scenario. These people are publicly Kennedy Japan has beef with them. Yeni Muntaka ne Kennedy Japan tokwa no moko. These people are he has beef with them. And so if he comes out to make statement like this on them, how do you believe this without evidence? Just because it's Kennedy Japan, we need to believe everything he says? I'm sorry. But for me, I'm saying said your work and it could be true. It can also be the fact that it is not true. Just provide proof. Say eyenekre and say enyenekre. What can more na etiefo yemti aso.
Tiedi kan aka kire Ghana fo no madam ho so. Tricks ya wo mo ayeso mo de baba. Adwen papa bia ni wo mo trim. So mo de boni. Yense enye wo mo nti no bibia nse wo Ghana. Yemma wo mo kwan so ema enye wo mo nti bibia ense wo Ghana. Enti yentie na supam. Na chairman Mafu ona wa no du dwom we are chairman okwa amon kan kire MPP ministers sense wo mu madwuma no ntwum ye ne enya sika mfamoa ayi. Why I'm saying that is that NDC for sika $8 million. Some of them are prominent journalists and organizations. What you say to push against and America say more year as a meeting no They're going to spend $8 million for journalist o man odin any Franklin Kujo why say bo fruit no dem ga say o mo kote 40 men MPP I don't know what is wrong with that no ma kofa Franklin Kujo account na me I say dump in promise kra ma beni cha akwa we ko jini enko na odinam nafu why make it cap 2015 2016 sika ojiji ye nyina.
Now I don't know but me obia Kennedy Japan assembly will be kebia na ya metie. Now since MPP eba power no, there's been this particular line Kennedy Japan toes. Wo bi biara wo be kasetia MPP bia Kennedy Japan ebeba bonten aka se nipa kono wakwa akojiska. Who do you notice it? Every single person wo beba bonten ababe kasa etia MPP. Asema Kennedy Japan be kan oh, we more evidence 2000 say wakojiska we NDC for he say Kennedy Japan say Imani Ghana for penny a friend of Franklin Kujo Embrana NDC hey am I wrong Ghana has a yankana cre Embrana NDC for our power articles of Franklin Kujo Troye e dey expose NDC and that there MPP were power Franklin Kujo babontin etumi bekasa e form ho Franklin Kujo babontin abekasa say sa EC new voters register na omo ye no a waste of money and inti ende Kennedy Japan say Franklin Kujo wakwa akojiska efi NDC ho inti embra na NDC wo power Franklin Kujo kasa expose corruption under NDC no sa time na Franklin Kujo okojiska wo MPP for ho ana sa de na ye njai na Kennedy Japan is someone me metumi de ben say Simibu aka say he does that thing a lot. The first person on this idea no no Anas. Any Anas akojiska just ono de sika sem no ko na de to nkrofo so any Anas is corrupt wakojiska and a Ghana for mujidi say hey yes say Anas the importer yenya ye hu de ebesi ye later ye kwate ye ne se Kennedy Japan wa kasa se MPP for kra na beka tre me se Anas yi me nkonko kana asem later ye nya ye bete ye but and also sa asem no Ghana for edi che wo mo aso mo no Kennedy Japan kasa ba Anas no mu di nechi no wo mo yo mo adwen se sa asem a Kennedy Japan kan ye no onte ye wo mo yo mo adwen se no mo nte sa asem ne ye se Kennedy Japan se MPP for na bebo ne pa. The second one Manasseh Azori expose efa MPP ho samo bakaya Manasseh Azori ye expose mbra na NDC onu no ma ye hu se Mahama kra wakoma Burkina Faso contractor bi contract ama contract no wo keke aye ka se Burkina Faso contractor no ento no wo no o jisika bebre asasika no kra no na ni kwanse ye de ma no owie ye no to ka be che Mahama na Mahama sanso je ka no mo ka sa asem no ye de Mahama ko si strat say yentu ni fi ade so sa time na MPP opposition eye Manasseh Azori e no yes I expose no and there MPP for can corruption and NDC here ya wo mo say confirm na show mo ano omo ka say confirm to Burkina Faso sa expose no bi sa ho say ho na ye under Mahama ni regime no eye Manasseh Azori e na ye and the MPP ba power Manasseh Azori e be yes expose for MPP ho Kennedy Japan ba bonti say hey Manasseh Azori akojiska efi NDC ho inti embra na mu opposition na Manasseh Azori ye expose the corruption under Mahama government no sa time na MPP mu diska Manasseh Azori ana. That's the second person na Kennedy Japan edisika sem abone so say ni pay wakwa kojiska and also sa with the evidence beba wan famba. The third person Kelvin Taylor. Say Kelvin Taylor kasafa MPP ho Kennedy Japan ba bonte be kasafa Kelvin Taylor ho a ene Mahama maniska eh just Kennedy Japan there wonu de bia NDC for e was say wo mo obiska na so Kelvin Taylor mbra na NDC wa aban mu no na wo kaseti Mahama ho na wo kaseti Mahama enye easy sa time no na Kelvin Taylor mbeji din say but I was following him because na ya was sponsor ni videos ni bi e wo Facebook into Facebook na ya ni videos ni bi ba but that time no nji didn't say but he spoke a lot against Mahama's government then the MPP ba ya Kelvin Taylor still all kasa etia MPP no yɛsɛ wakɔgye sika firi mahama hɔ anso hɔ a Franklin Kujo Imani Ghana wɔn nso no deɛ saa asɛm a sisi a Kennedy Japan ɛka Franklin Kujo ho ɛne sɛ Franklin Kujo so akɔgye sika hey Kennedy Japan kyerɛ sɛ NPP deɛ well me deɛ but me obi a sɛnea me di nka kyerɛ no I study things a lot. All of these allegations are Kennedy Japan aka afa nkrɔfo ne ho no. He hasn't come out with concrete evidence. Emma yehu ne say eye ne kre say asem we Kennedy Japan ka no. Eye say eneda. But what do you see? A lot of people just for the mere fact say it is Kennedy Japan saying these things into no. Hey, you believe it. You throw our integrity somewhere and believe it because it is coming from Kennedy Japan. See, my way will be misled very seriously. Because me and Mekasa say, will be when him say melodies. Once the news is coming from melodies, no, a true news. Na me babo ti me kasa fan krofo ho san na me provide evidence will be a beto ni trim say eno ene ne kre no. Na so we bia na me twa san nipa kro ne ntro. So I'm not saying say the things Kennedy Japan is saying, no, don't get me wrong. Once again, let me put this across. I am not saying say the Kennedy Japan can completely intro and fabrications no they too microphone so. Because wakwako can be MSC akra still wa court on the announcement so omo court. No cry wa kosre say yembra out of court settlement say yembra fie ne yembeka asem no. That's the last thing I heard about the case. Kennedy Japan court was stress a yembre fini embeka asem no. But the meme can and say tie. I am not saying say in sema Kennedy Japan can a intro. Dabi, don't get me wrong. The meme can say o say NDC for akoye meeting wo mo kan same way ni na. Why you are saying it and they say o pese Ghana for 80. But maybe feel say o pese Ghana for 80 asem no na ye gidi. There is a way to go by it. Just release the audio recording. Say no. And no there you don't even have to talk more. So as we are walking enya wo mo say wo mmekwa koye say no e ya wo na wo kan. Who release audio na yankasa ya so betse. Nti eni kwan kra say wo kra wo be ka train. Just release it. No. Obi anka say wo twa ntro. And that's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. Just release it. It's here for. It's a one time I join our comment box anymore. Me that say.